Munene Ucio Uracirithagia Ciira wa Ungumania wa Makiria ma Cirngi Birioni 63 Ciiraini wa Waaki wa Demu cia Kimwarer na Itua ria Majaji Ciiraini Ucio Mkiuga Niarakuruhanio na Ciira wa Ungumania Thiini wa Igoti riu mwandikito wairimu wa Kimani en report ino Makiria
level 4 county na Nairobi
agetetera Eunice nyutagite mendekithia makumwenda Eherio Ciira ucio maria maraumite kwi mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi
na kuringana na ndagitari
kuna matirari na uma wa kiwatho
makahi na kairetu rugendo-ini rwake ruothe mahatha make makoretwo matari ugwatini o nginya thiku ya kwihungura ciana ici.
It has been deposed that on the 29th of August 2023, the prosecution team applied for an adjournment.
Mucirithania uyu munene wa thitango cia muingi arendaga nyuto Eherio kuona ati aratongoragia macira make na muthutukanio na nguruhano ingi ciĩgiĩ mawatho maria makoragwo magathikitwo igoti-ini riu.
The Court of Appeal adopted the test for recusal propounded by the House of Lords in Kweda versus Makiria 2002-1 All England's report at page 465, where it stated that, and I quote, "The question is whether the fair-minded and informed observer, having considered the facts, would conclude that there was a real possibility that the tribunal was biased." End of quote.
Ciira uyu wa Kimwarer graft niguo uguciririe ngucanio ino iria irathie na mbere igoti-ini riri guku nyuto akionekana kugumirwo ni ciira uyu na njira nene.
The Black's Law Dictionary 10th edition defines recusal as removal of oneself as a judge or policymaker in a particular matter, especially because of conflict of interest. All the players are usually seated in court ready to proceed, only for the court to be informed time and time again that there are verbal instructions requiring the trial to be suspended, awaiting further directions from the DP.
Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, Geto wairimu wa Kimani.